guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl LA J back at again with another vlog. I have on my Fashion Nova. I'm real comfy. I do have plans today. I want to go get some food because I'm really hungry right now. Let me put some on my lips. My lips are like dry. I decided to get up and get cute and put some clothes on. Did my makeup a little bit. I did like some under eye. Well, I also have to get my mustache waxed, y'all, because this is not giving. Oh my god. So we really gotta get this mustache wax, and then I want to go grab some food from Panera Bread because I really am really hungry, but I don't want to do anything too heavy. I'm looking at my living room walls and they are super duper dry, so I definitely want to spice it up in here a little bit because I want to start recording some videos in here because I feel like my couch is really cute. I want it to look really homey. I feel like I can record more videos in here and I'll be more comfortable with just recording, period. So you guys know I have my couch or whatever, and I want to start getting my walls together because they're really boring, and I just want to get everything together, you feel me, make it really cute, really homey. So I'm about to go to Ikea right now, grab a few things. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna get, but I know for a fact I'm gonna get a plant to put right here. I want to get some wall decor, get something for my walls because they look really boring, and I probably run to like somewhere else to start getting other things, maybe Amazon, maybe TJ Maxx, not really sure yet, but I know I'm about to definitely go to Ikea. So we're going to see what we can find at Ikea, and I really need to start going because I have a lot of things to do today. So we're going to just go ahead and start our day. So I'll talk to you guys when I get to Ikea. Hey guys, so I'm finally in Ikea from getting food. I went to Panera and I got me some food, girl, and I finally made it here. Do I need one of these cards? I'm gonna get one just in case. And I'm gonna grab a shopping bag too. I'm so upset, guys, because I literally meant to bring my stuff with me so when I was getting food at Panera or Starbucks, I could do my homework while I was there. Girl, I left everything that I need to do my homework. I left everything that I needed to do my homework with. So I literally have to wait until I leave Ikea to start doing homework or anything. And class starts at 3:50. I wanted to get my wax above my lip because when I went to get my wax last Thursday, today is Tuesday, I was able to. Well, I was able to. I forgot, and so did the wax lady. So that's a big ghetto. I'm finally here shopping. So excited to see what we get because you know how we get when we get shopping. We just start spending whatever we like. Look at my mustache, guys. We definitely need to get this waxed today. Like, no joke. I'm honestly looking for a really tall plant, something similar to this. So we're just gonna look around and see what we like. This is so cute in here. Concept super cute. Like, it's minimalist kind of vibe. And that's the kind of vibe I'm trying to go for in my apartment, period. I'm looking for like the minimalist look, but with a tad of like earthy. Like, in my living room, I'm definitely giving minimalist. In my room, I'm giving earthy, minimalist, all nudes, neutrals, and I love green and like yellow, earthy colors, you know. I'm gonna just look around somewhere in here, and then if I wind up seeing something, I'll show you guys. Oh, I think I see a plant. Look. Oh no, it's sitting on something, but this plant is super duper cute. I'm thinking if I should get it. It's super cute. Let's see how much it is. It's $60. That's not bad. But I'm gonna look around some more and see if I can find something a little taller. Because if I get that $60 plant, I'm gonna have to buy something to stand it up so it can be high, and that's the kind of look I'm going for, and that's too short for me. So we're gonna continue to look around, and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit later whenever I want up seeing something that I like. Okay, so I am back from Ikea, y'all. Finally in the house. I just got finished with class. That's why it's like so dark right now. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got from Ikea. I only got a couple things because I didn't really see much in Ikea. I'm gonna think about like going to like other stores to go pick some other things up, but as of now, we're gonna rock out with the things I got from Ikea. I got me some plants. I got this plant here. It was super cute to me. It's all of these plants that I have are artificial, y'all. One of the things that I bought was this light shelf here. It's one of these really long shelves. I'm gonna put this above the couch probably, I'm thinking. I'm not really sure. I also bought this little plant here. I thought it was so freaking cute. I've been like so big on like plants that hang, and I love these hanging little vines, and it's just a vibe for me. Okay, all of these plants are artificial, y'all. I was in Ikea and I did see some real plants, but Brownie, you're messing up the camera. I did see some real plants in there, but I'm like, y'all, I know for a fact I'm going to either forget watering them one day or it's just gonna die. So I'm just gonna stick to the artificial plants. They last way longer and they're way more expensive. I don't know if y'all knew that, but. And then I have this big old box here. This is a plant too. Let me actually take that out. Okay, just gonna slide this out. Is it not coming out? What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, I might break this. I was pulling kind of hard. I think I gotta open it from the other side. Okay, so I finally got the plant out the box, y'all. I got the Feka plant. Feka. I don't really know. But I'm gonna link all of the products that I got down inside of the description. Got this from Ikea. Whew. I was at Ikea for a while, y'all. I was even late to class messing with Ikea. I got a really tall plant and I really love this thing. I'm actually gonna go put this plant over here. That's what I'm kind of thinking it's gonna go, because when I want to start recording videos in here, I'm gonna record the videos. I want the scenery to be very freaking cute. Is there any way I can like, no? Okay, so I'm just gonna take this right there. I think it's so cute right here. Look at her. She doesn't look that dull anymore. Yes. I'm just gonna start putting all this stuff up. I'm gonna keep you guys posted here just so you can see the whole process. I'm so ready to see what this is gonna look like, y'all. Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Treat me like one piece. Don't get me dirty. Love on me. She cannot come with. I just gotta take. Love on me. If you fuck with me, yeah, won't let nigga from me. On the thing, never throw. I know it's the breeze, but it's you could come with me, but I don't know. It happened if you say that you didn't love me, little bitch. You know I'm early, I'm that nigga from the club. I know that you fucking say that you hate me, but you really do not hate me. Every time I need that love, give me that white teeth. Don't get me dirty. Love on me.
This is what I'm working with right now. I just have my plant here. I got my little shelf hung up, and I got the two plants here, and then I have a little picture here. I still have a lot more to go. I'm really excited for how everything is gonna look. Honestly, it looks so much better right now. As of now, I'm pretty much done for the day. I guess I will talk to you guys sometime tomorrow. I was supposed to go to the gym today and supposed to go get my wax, but I didn't wind up doing that, so I guess we'll just do that tomorrow. And I can get my nails done too, because girl, they look a hot mess. I'm sick of them. So I guess I'll just talk to you guys tomorrow. Bless you, baby. Bless you, mama.
Mask on my face, sometimes you gotta cheat to stay ahead in this bitch. Drink served like it's liquor. Street life, I have you catching up to God quicker. Stick on.
Hey guys, so I'm here with Johnny, and we are studying because we got exams coming up, baby, and we're trying to get this degree, okay? And we're not trying to fail this exam, okay? We got some Starbucks too here with us.
Alright, so let me see. Park Mobile.
It's giving rich beach. It's giving scholar.
It's
It's giving everything it needs to get. But yeah, so I have an exam Thursday for bio. And what you got an exam for?
Cross-sectional anatomy.
Anatomy tomorrow, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, girl. Nani's been literally cramming all week.
Oh.
She's been up 4 o'clock in the morning, like studying. Like she should. Okay.
I was gonna get my hair doobie today, but it makes no sense.
You said what?
I was gonna get my hair doobie today.
Oh yeah, it's raining. It makes no sense. Yeah, y'all. So I'm about to get to cramming, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit once I'm leaving here. I do plan on going to the gym afterwards, which is why I got my gym fit on. It's really rainy and icky today, so I don't really plan on doing anything besides studying and going to the gym. So I guess I'll talk to you guys when I'm leaving here and about to go to the gym because your girl gotta study.
Say my name, no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby, why the sudden change? Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby, better say my name. The other day, I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a you okay?
Hey guys, it's me again. I'm currently outside of my gym because I need to go work out. And before I go to class or whatever, I'm waiting for Ramsey because he wanted to work out today too. We made plans to work out together. He's been trying to get me to get a bike so we can ride our bikes together, but like, if I'm getting a bike, that's because somebody else is buying it for me. I have a gym membership, so I'm like, just come to the gym until I get me a bike. You feel me? So we're here today to go to work out. I'm waiting for him to pull up. He said it's like 5 minutes away, so he should be actually coming like ASAP. But yeah, y'all, remember I was just talking to y'all, telling y'all that I just want to get back into like better shape and everything like that, because like this past summer I've been a while and I've been bugging out, so I'm just getting back into the routine. Oh, I think this is Randy right here. Yeah, this is definitely him. It's definitely him. But yeah, so we're about to walk in soon. Let me actually get out and grab my bag and stuff. But Randy finally made it. Look at him. He forgot to bring his waist trainer so he gets snatched up. My friend is in pain.
No, now I'm great.
No, you're not. Look how he's walking. Not him walking like that. Yes, bestie. Get that shit, bestie. Get that shit. Yeah, Bessie, don't try to make your face too, because you was over here making them ugly faces. Keep making the ugly faces.